Hi guys, so in today's video, I will be talking about how to add a recipient in Wise. So let's get started. First off, enter or sign into your Wise account. Once signed on, we can see here in the left-hand side of our Wise account, home cards recipients. All we need to do is to click on recipients and it will route us to our recipient page. Now in here, you can actually add a recipient. Okay, beside add your bank account, here you can put in add a recipient, choose the currency that you would like to use. For example, USD, the type of recipient receiving this one, the email address, and the bank details. Okay, there are different options. You can do ACH, Wire, or Swift. That's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.